Hey guys, welcome to Namadil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of ghee rice in pressure cooker. First, heat a pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. If you add just ghee, then ghee rice turns sticky. To avoid that, it's better to add ghee as well as oil. Now add cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, bay leaf and star anise. Add finely sliced onion and saute it for some time. Now add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until onion turns light brown in color. Now add few cashews and raisins. Saute it for some time. Then add crushed pepper powder. Now add rice. Here I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice and soaked it for half an hour. Saute it for a minute. Now add 1/4 cup of milk. Adding milk enhances the taste of ghee rice. You can either add cow's milk or coconut milk. Now add 1½ cups of water. Add salt and mix it well. When water starts boiling, close the lid and cook in medium flame for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, rice is cooked perfectly. Give it a gentle mix. If you wish, you can top it up with ghee. Quick and simple ghee rice is ready. You can serve it with veg kurma or any curry of your choice. Hope you all like the recipe. Thank you for watching.